If you want to close your Namecheap account, in this video I'll show you the safest and simplest way to do it step by step. The process is done by contacting Namecheap Support directly, and I'll walk you through exactly what to include, so your request is clear and complete. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account using the email and password you normally use. Once you're signed in, look for your profile or settings area. Depending on your layout, this may be in the top menu or inside your account dashboard. Click into that section and then open Security. Inside the security area, you'll find your support PIN. Make sure you copy this PIN carefully because Namecheap uses it to verify that you're the account owner. Keep it somewhere safe for the moment because you'll need it in your message. Next, go to Personal Info. In this section, note the email address associated with your Namecheap account. This is very important because support needs to match your request to the correct account before they can process it. Take a moment to double-check that you have the exact email address on file. After that, open your email client and create a brand new email message. In the recipient field, enter the Namecheap Support email address. If you're not sure which support address to use, make sure you use the official one provided by Namecheap so your request goes to the right place. In the subject line, type Account Removal. This makes it clear right away what the email is about and helps support teams route it correctly. Now in the body of the email, include your Namecheap account email address and your support PIN. Be sure to clearly request account deletion and keep your message direct and polite. You can say that you would like your Namecheap account closed and ask support to proceed with the deletion process. Before you send it, double-check everything carefully. Confirm that the support email address is correct. The subject line says Account Removal, your account email is included, and the support PIN is accurate. A small typo could slow things down, so this step is really important. Once you've verified all the details, send the email. After that, all you need to do is wait for Namecheap Support to respond with the next steps. They may ask for confirmation or provide additional instructions before the account can be removed. And that's it. You now know how to close a Namecheap account the right way by sending a proper support request. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more simple software and account management guides.